The red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you'd even say it glows. And all of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names.
Like Pinocchio.
They never let poor Rudolph join any reindeer game.
Like Monopoly.
And one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? And then how the other reindeer loved him.
Loved him.
Shouted out with me.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
You'll
go down in history.
She loves patting him on the head. Good job, guys.